Right friends, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this SDS rotary hammer drill. This one is Bauker make from Toolstation. So I'm just going to unbox it. This SDS costed us £70 and is one of the cheapest in the market. And this particular one is SDS rotary hammer 1500W by 32mm, little bit size. So it comes with overload protection, rubber grip, 3 functions and aluminium gearbox, unlike the other SDS drill machines. Right, it contains auxiliary handle, depth gauge, dust cover, 15 drill bits. Okay, all the sizes are mentioned on the box. One point chisel, flat chisel, U-shaped chisel, and masonry drill bits. These are tin coated ones. Okay, and then the technical spec on this drill bit is rated voltage is 230. Rotated power is 1500W. No load speed 850 per minute. Impact rate is about 4200 per minute. Max impact energy is 5.1 J. Okay, max drilling capacity is 32mm concrete, 13mm is metal, and 40mm is the wood. 3 functions: rotary drill, hammer drill, chisel. Okay, forward and reverse rotation, quick change, SDS plus chuck. Okay, so just gonna unbox it. With a pointed chisel, as I mentioned before, and a flat chisel and the U-shaped chisel. So 3 different chisels. And all the drill bits on this side here. Got the tin coated drills as well, drill bits. The handle is quite sturdy on this one.